Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and today we will start new topic that is Roman numerals. So we usually write the numbers using the Hindu Arabic system which uses the 10 digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The number can also be written in Roman numeral. These number we can write in Roman numeral also. Okay. So it is one of the oldest numeral system, but still we are using this Roman numeral. Now all numbers can be written using 7 Roman numerals. So here we have, as you can see on the screen, here we have 7 Roman numerals. Using that we can write any number. We can write any number, whether it is 17, 19, 125 or 170. Okay, that number can be anything. So let's see the value of each symbol. Here we have I and the value of I 1, value of V 5, value of X 10, value of L 50, value of C 100, value of D 500 and value of M 1000. Okay, so using this Roman numeral we can write any number. Understood? Now rules. 3 rules of writing the Roman numeral. Rule number 1, rule of repetition. Rule number 2, rule of addition. Rule number 3, rule of subtraction. Okay, so today we will discuss rule number 1 and rule number 2. Okay, so let's see one by one. Rule number 1, rule of repetition. Okay, point 1, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. As you can see here we have single M and the value of M 1000. Here we have 2 times M, that means M is repeating 2 times. Okay, so value of M will multiply by 2 and accordingly will get 2000. Here we have 3 times M, so value of M will multiply by 3 and accordingly will get 3000. Understood? So when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, it's depend on repetition of a particular symbol. Understood? Now point number 2, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. That means these symbol we can repeat maximum 3 times. Let's see the example. 1, I have given here 1I. For 2, I have given here 2I. For 3, 3I and 4, 4I. But this is wrong because we cannot repeat this I 4 times. Okay, this 3 times correct, 2 times correct, 1 time correct, but 4 times we cannot give. As it is mentioned in point number 2, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum, not more than 3. Okay, 3 times we can repeat. As you can see here, for 3 I have given here 3 times. Okay, 3 times I, but we cannot write 4 times I. Understood? Now point number 3, symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Symbol V, L and D are never repeated. As you can see the example, for 10 I have given here double V, but this is wrong. For 100 I have given double L, this also wrong. Instead we can write for 10 as X, 100 as C. These two are correct. Okay, as it is mentioned, symbol V, L and D are never repeated. As you can see here, V is repeating 2 times, L is repeating 2 times. Okay, so we cannot repeat V, L and D. Understood? Now rule number 2, rule of addition. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let's see the example and try to understand the rule of addition. As you can see on the screen, here we have 2 symbols X and I, and X has got higher value, I has got smaller value. Okay, same way here we have 2 symbols X and V. X has got higher value and V has got smaller value. So in this case we'll add smaller value to the greater value. So let's do that. The value of x 10 and we have to add, and the value of I 1, we'll get 11 here. Okay, that means this is the value of xi 11. Understood? The same way, value of x 10 plus value of v 5, when we add we'll get 15. That means 15 is the value of xv. Okay, xv. Understood? This is how we have to add. The next day I will send one more video of this chapter. I hope whatever we discussed today, that is clear to you. Thank you.